Cross-dressing is an art form, a means of self-expression, and a way to explore different facets of one's identity. For many, it provides a sense of freedom and joy, allowing them to step outside the bounds of societal norms and expectations. Whether you're new to cross-dressing or a seasoned pro, here are 10 essential experiences to enhance your journey and deepen your connection to this vibrant community. Number 1. Go out shopping. One of the most liberating experiences for a crossdresser is shopping for feminine attire. This isn't just about purchasing clothes, it's about embracing your identity and celebrating your style. Start small if you're nervous. Perhaps by visiting a local thrift store or shopping during quieter hours. As your confidence grows, so too will your willingness to explore different stores and styles. Shopping in person allows you to try on clothes, feel the fabrics, and find what truly fits both your body and your personality. It's also a chance to engage with salespeople who can offer advice and support. Number 2. Go to a cross-dressing club. Cross-dressing clubs offer a safe and welcoming environment where you can express yourself freely. These clubs are havens for meeting like-minded individuals, sharing experiences, and building friendships. Whether you're there to socialize, enjoy a show, or dance the night away, cross-dressing clubs provide a unique atmosphere of acceptance and camaraderie. It's a place where you can be your true self without fear of judgment, surrounded by others who understand and celebrate your journey. Number 3. Cosplay your favorite female character. Cosplay combines the creativity of costume design with the thrill of embodying a beloved character. For crossdressers, it offers an opportunity to explore different aspects of femininity in a playful and imaginative way. Choose a character that resonates with you, whether from anime, comics, movies, or video games. Creating or assembling the costume can be an exciting project, and wearing it at a convention or event allows you to step into a different world. Cosplaying is a fantastic way to express your creativity, meet others with similar interests, and celebrate your favorite characters. Number 4. Do a photo shoot. A photo shoot can be a powerful way to document and celebrate your cross-dressing journey. Hire a professional photographer who understands your vision, or collaborate with a friend who shares your enthusiasm. Plan your outfits, makeup, and poses to reflect your personality and style. Whether you choose an outdoor location, a studio, or a themed setting, a photo shoot can boost your confidence and provide lasting memories. The resulting photos can be shared with friends, displayed in your home, or kept as a private collection of your transformative journey. Number 5. A girls' night with other crossdressers. Organizing a girls' night with fellow crossdressers is a wonderful way to build connections and enjoy a sense of community. Plan activities that everyone will enjoy, such as watching movies, having a makeover session, playing games, or simply chatting over snacks and drinks. This intimate setting allows you to share experiences, offer support, and celebrate each other's unique styles. A girls' night in can strengthen friendships and provide a safe space to explore and express your femininity. Another fantastic way to immerse yourself in the cross-dressing community is by attending events and conventions specifically for cross-dressers. These gatherings offer a supportive and accepting environment where you can freely express your true self without fear of judgment or discrimination. At these events, you'll have the opportunity to meet like-minded individuals, participate in workshops and seminars on topics related to cross-dressing, showcase your own unique style through fashion shows or competitions, and simply have fun socializing with others who understand and appreciate your journey. Whether it's a local meetup group, a regional conference, or a large-scale convention dedicated to cross-dressing culture, attending these events can be empowering and uplifting experiences that help you feel more confident in embracing your identity as a cross-dresser. Number 6. Be engaged with the rest of the cross-dressing community. Being an active part of the cross-dressing community can be incredibly rewarding. Join online forums, social media groups, or local meetups to connect with others who share your interests. Participate in discussions, share your experiences, and offer support to newcomers. Engaging with the community can provide valuable insights, advice, and a sense of belonging. It's also an opportunity to learn about events, resources, and trends within the cross-dressing world. The support and camaraderie found in these communities can be a lifeline, offering encouragement and friendship. Number 7. Experimentation. Experimentation is key to discovering what works best for you as a crossdresser. Try different styles of clothing, wigs, makeup techniques, and accessories to find what makes you feel most confident and comfortable. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and explore new looks. Experimentation also includes exploring different facets of your identity and expression. You might find that certain styles resonate with you more than others, or that your preferences evolve over time. The journey of self-discovery is ongoing, and each experiment brings you closer to understanding and embracing your true self. Number 8. Try secret crossdressing. For some, the thrill of crossdressing comes with an element of secrecy. Trying secret crossdressing can be an exciting and liberating experience. This might involve dressing in private, wearing women's underwear beneath your everyday clothes, or adopting a more androgynous look in public. Secret crossdressing allows you to explore your identity without the pressures of social scrutiny. It can also serve as a stepping stone towards more public expressions of your cross-dressed self. The key is to find what makes you comfortable and happy, respecting your own boundaries and readiness to share this aspect of yourself with others. Number 9. Keep a crossdressing diary. Maintaining a diary can be a powerful tool for reflection and growth. Document your experiences, thoughts, and feelings about crossdressing. Note your favorite outfits, makeup tips, and memorable moments. A diary can help you track your progress, recognize patterns, and understand your emotions better. It also serves as a private space to vent frustrations, celebrate successes, and set goals for the future. Over time, your diary becomes a personal chronicle of your journey, offering insights and affirmations that can be incredibly valuable for your self-esteem and personal development. Number 10. Enjoy your free time. Ultimately, crossdressing should be about enjoyment and personal fulfillment. Take the time to indulge in activities that make you happy while crossdressed. This could be as simple as lounging at home in your favorite dress, enjoying a spa day, or pursuing hobbies that you love. The goal is to integrate crossdressing into your life in a way that enhances your overall well-being. Whether it's through creative expression, social interaction, or solitary relaxation, finding joy in your crossdressing journey is essential. Embrace the freedom it offers and make the most of every moment. Crossdressing is a deeply personal and enriching experience that offers a multitude of ways to explore and express your identity. From shopping and socializing to creative projects and community engagement, each activity on this list contributes to a fuller, more satisfying crossdressing journey. By embracing these 10 must-do experiences, you can build confidence, forge meaningful connections, and celebrate your unique self. Remember, the most important aspect of crossdressing is to enjoy the process and find what brings you joy and fulfillment. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request for you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.